Alrighty, this is just a video of the motorcycle at night. Of course, got the hazards on. I'll show you guys a little bit of features of the lights I was talking about. The underglow lights. Of course, these are the hazards. We got the remote right here. We can press some buttons. And by doing so, we can actually change the color, any color you want. I just have it on red since it's ultimately red. I like red. Yeah, you got a lot of features in here. Do a lot of other colors. That's it's like a glow feature, I guess. Pretty much have it do anything you want, you know. There's also an app for it on your phone too. You can control it that way. That's what the bike looks like at night. Yes, sir. So this is an updated version of the Quantum Tour 150cc. As you guys can see, it has the backlight on it, so that's the only thing that's really different with this updated version. I'm showing it off right now to you guys. Not much has changed other than the backlight. Now it has an extra light on the back. It's just a LED strip, and I'll show you guys that right now. As you can see, it is in the back, and it just has an extra LED strip, and it makes the bike look a little bit cool. Make it look a little more cooler from behind. Anyways, when I pull the lever, when I pull the brake light also lights up as well, gets brighter. So I think that's also another cool addition right there. Well, alright guys, this is a Quantum Tour 150cc at night. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just wanted to show y'all just the bike how it looked like at night, because I know I didn't have a video up. I know in my last video I thought I was going to show the bike at night, so this is that video. Hope you guys enjoy. You know, leave a like, comment, you know, subscribe. Alright, y'all.